Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to create Google Sheet and desktop shortcut on PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google and search bar Google Sheet. Step 2. Scroll down, you can see Sign in Google Sheet. Sign in Google Sheet, click on it. Step 3. Google Sheet open now. You can see top left corner. Edit the name. Automatic name save. How to add desktop shortcut on PC. Step 4. 3 dots, click OK at top right corner. Scroll down, you can see Cast Save and Share, click on it. Step 5. Create shortcut, click on it. You can see name. Edit name and create, click on it. Step 6. Bend Google or show the sheet. The mission will be successful. Click on the sheet and you can see it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.